Don't know how to code? Never used an AI tool before? No worries. In this video, I'm showing you 3 beginner-friendly AI side hustles you can start today with zero experience and no upfront money. Let's get right into it. Welcome to AI Hustle Hub, your home for smart digital hustles powered by AI. If you want to earn online without burning out, make sure to subscribe because we're dropping new videos every week. First up, become a ChatGPT blog writer. All you need is a free ChatGPT account. Type in simple prompts like, write a 1,000-word blog post on 5 ways to save money in Africa. Or give me a blog post about using AI for small business. You can then post your articles on Medium.com and earn money through their partner program, or offer your blog writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even WhatsApp. Pro tip, use tools like Uber Suggest to find low-competition blog topics and ask ChatGPT to optimize for SEO. Next, turn Canva into your personal logo factory. Using Canva's AI tools, you can generate modern, clean logos in seconds, even if you've never designed anything before. Then list your designs on Redbubble, TeePublic, or Zazzle as merch. You can also sell to small businesses in your country using Instagram or WhatsApp. Pro tip, focus on trending niches like crypto logos, modest Muslim brands, AI startups. This one's fire. Sell TikTok scripts using ChatGPT. Here's how it works. You write short, high-engagement video scripts like, how I made $100 in 24 hours using AI, 3 AI tools that'll replace your job. Then you sell them to content creators on Fiverr, or you can post them yourself using CapCut's auto voiceover tool. Pro tip, batch 10 scripts in one sitting and pitch them to 5 to 10 TikTok creators per day. Here's a bonus play. Combine all 3 hustles into one system. Write content with ChatGPT, design merch with Canva Promote using TikTok videos. That's a full digital business run by AI. Which hustle would you try first? Comment below and let me know. Also, I've made a free checklist of AI tools for beginners. You'll find it linked in the description. Thanks for watching. If this gave you value, smash the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay hustling. Stay smart. This is AI Hustle Hub. See you in the next one.